India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
We are getting ready now for the assembly session which will happen next week. As of now, we were also discussing about the curtailment of these, because that is the thing which is going on, exactly. But it has to move through the business advisory committee. It can't just be done like this. So the business advisory committee ची meeting जालना. So ते मागे जात्री मागे decision जातलो. आणि हे पाटी ट्रिपल टेस्ट आणि सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट यूज करून ते ओबीसी कोडवले बाहेर. So आमचे CLPन strong काढला, resolution काढला to oppose this kind of move to marginalize and sideline the OBCs. The moment you are trying to omit them, कोण कोर्टान वयतलो, कोण petition घातलो, मागीर तेज तो ground use कोतले फुडें उडोवपाक. So it can be a dual way. One is either you want to deprive them genuinely or you want to throw them out.
Can it happen like that?
Well, they are using the Supreme Court judgment to their aid. तुम्ही वोट मागतात, मागीर आतां तुमकां भायर उडयतात तांकां. This is totally unfair.
Congress Party also opposes curtailment of assembly.
Of course we will, because तूं आतां assembly announce कोत्ता, and we have got certain dates targeted for raising up certain issues and certain discussions which will come up. काट काय जाल्यार आमगे question गेले.
खंयचे कॉर्नर करतले गव्हर्नमेंटाक मीन ते विचार.
See, we have also run through the governor's address. So topic by topic we have identified certain areas, right from police recruitment to the PSI recruitment. We are confident that we will be able to corner the government. So mining to promise kotta every election आमी mining resume कोतले म्हण कितली वर्सां जाली.
Going to be a very long session. We hope that government doesn't curtail it and have the full session, because government, I mean BJP's failure, they are known to confuse the people of Goa. If you can't convince, you can confuse the people. That is the BJP strategy. We demand the full session should go on, so that जे लोकांचे प्रश्न आसा आज गोंयकाराचे, जे आमचे opposition MLAs are going to put, I mean, you will come to know in the session.